Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So today we will talk about the Google document or Google Docs on a mobile phone, and I would like to show you the way how you can insert the table into your documents with Google Docs. So you just need to open the Google Docs application, and then you just need to open the articles. Here I already open it, but then this is the view. Whenever you open the application, just go click the application that you want to edit. The next thing you need to do is just go place the cursor into the specific area that you want to add the table with. So I will let you do, click it the screen, just go click this pencil button, and then you just need to place the cursor into the specific area you want to edit or add the column or table. And now you just need to go click this plus button on the top side here, and there will be a table right there, so you just need to go click it. You can adjusting how many columns that you want to have. So I would like to have like 4 columns, and for the rows I would like to also have 5, and you just need to go click insert table. And now we already got this type of table, and then you can adjusting the place of the table, the position of the table, and then the width for each columns that you have by just go click this area into the left side to make it like shorter, to shorten the width of each column. You can adjust in it just one by one exactly. And after you're done, you can just add the information inside of the table, such as the number, and let's say you can just do its variety, and so on and so on. So that's the way, guys, how you can add the table into your Google documents on mobile phone. Hopefully you enjoy this a lot, and let's meet again into other tutorial.